Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a terms and conditions page for your Shopify store. Having clear terms and conditions helps protect your business and keeps your customers informed about your policies. Let's walk through how to set it up. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on it. Next, go to Policies. You can find this at the bottom of the Settings menu. Once you're here, start with your return and refund policy. Click on Terms of Service or Shipping Policy and make sure it is turned on. Click on it and begin setting it up. Add your content here, or insert a template if you prefer. Make sure to be specific with your Terms of Service details. When you're done, click Publish. Next, click on your shipping policy to set it up. Add your shipping details and fill it in. When finished, click Done. Do the same for your return policy. Add the details about your return and refund policy. Once you're finished, you can also turn on the return rules if you'd like. Turn it on, and that's it. That's how we create a terms and conditions page in Shopify. Having this page in place helps build trust and keeps your store legally protected.